Hey guys, it's me on Zoe Dog YT. Welcome to part 2 of my Christmas unboxing series of these phones I've gotten for Christmas. This is going to be the unboxing of the Nokia 2285 on TrackPhone. This device is brand new in the original prepaid packaging from, I believe, 2004 if I remember right. So, yeah, I can't wait to check this thing out and let's unbox it. So I'm going to have to cut open the box. It's going to probably be ruined, but I don't really mind it, even though this thing's brand new, because sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get it open. So I guess I'm just going to try and cut through the plastic if I can, because I know these clamshell packages sometimes are hard to get open. I could try it with my hands, I guess, first. This is going to have to be cut open with scissors. Sorry guys, it's just taking me a moment to cut through the packaging. Getting destroyed. So I'll just try and cut it through the back. Now, hopefully without damaging any of the insides of the device, or not the insides of the device, the contents of the box. Alright, there we go, and I'm starting to get into it. As per my last unboxing with the clamshell package, this is going just as well as it did with the Samsung Illusion, meaning I'm probably going to hurt myself on accident. Sometimes it's hard to cut through these clamshell packages, as I am currently experiencing off camera at the moment. So, again, this isn't very ideal. Hate using these kinds of packages. Always have, but it's just how prepaid phones, I guess, have always been designed. I almost just stabbed myself. Yeah, I'm gonna finish opening this because the video's starting to get pretty long, and I'll come back. All right, guys, I'm back, and now we can finally get into the contents of the packaging because I was able to finally open it. As you can see, well, I did a very poor job at that, to be honest, but it's fine. We did it. So here is the owner's literature, which I'm not going to open right now. I'm actually probably going to keep it sealed. Here's like the track phone user guide, another track phone user guide. Yeah, just a little pamphlet thing on the inside. I'll throw that aside. And yeah, now I'm going to attempt to get into this portion of the package so I can actually open the device. This is going to be a little difficult. Let's pry it open, and there we go. So here is the original charger for the device. It's standard Nokia charger, what I call the barrel plug charger. Here is your device itself. This thing is brand new. And here is your Nokia BL5C battery, which is the one that all these phones use. Even like the clones of Nokia devices, which there are a lot of Nokia clones out there from back in the day. But yeah, I'm gonna move all of the packaging to the side. So yeah, guys, the last thing I'm gonna do, as per the last unboxing of the Motorola device, I'm gonna peel the screen protector off. This one's probably gonna be bad too. It doesn't gonna sound great, to be honest, but let's try. All right. There we are. Sounded surprisingly good from what I was expecting. So yeah, I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to gather all of these items. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed this video of the Nokia 2285 on TracFone. There are more videos that I'm going to be releasing of these phones I got for Christmas because I have more to do videos of. So yeah, guys, enjoy those. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Those videos will be soon. And yeah, guys, take care. Bye.